Could a humble cup of barley tea be the secret to better weight management? In this short video we'll explore what barley tea is, why it has attracted attention for metabolism and appetite, and what science and tradition each say about its potential benefits. Barley tea, known as mujica in Japan and baricha in Korea, is a caffeine-free infusion made from roasted barley kernels that offers a warm, nutty flavor and a long cultural history. Many people turn to barley tea as a low-calorie alternative to sugary drinks, which helps reduce daily calorie intake when it replaces sodas or sweetened beverages. Research suggests that compounds in roasted barley like polyphenol and soluble fibers may influence digestion, blood sugar response, and feelings of fullness, although human studies are still limited. Barley tea may support gut health by providing prebiotic-like effects that feed beneficial bacteria, which in turn can influence metabolism and weight regulation over time. Its hydrating quality and lack of calories make it a simple tool for appetite control, since drinking a glass before meals can help people feel satisfied and potentially eat less. Unlike some herbal weight loss claims, barley tea is not a miracle solution, and results depend on overall diet, portion control, physical activity, and consistent habits. For best results, pair regular consumption of barley tea with whole foods, fiber-rich meals, lean proteins, and a modest calorie deficit rather than relying on the tea alone. Pay attention to preparation, avoid adding sugar, steep properly for taste, and use brewed or roasted barley products from reputable sources to reduce contamination risk. People with gluten sensitivity should exercise caution because barley contains gluten, so consult a healthcare professional before making it a daily habit if you have celiac disease or severe intolerance. A few small human trials hint at modest metabolic improvements, but more rigorous randomized studies are needed to confirm barley tea's direct effect on weight loss and body composition. Beyond science, many people appreciate barley tea as an enjoyable habit that supports mindful drinking and reduces temptation for high-calorie beverages during daily routines. If you're curious, start with 1 to 2 cups daily, monitor appetite and energy, and adjust according to how your body and lifestyle respond over a few weeks. Many cultures prize it for daily hydration and comfort. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video to support future health and tea insights.